I think it's time to ride some rides, guys. We're going to go on this big butt Ferris wheel. It has a big butt, and it's big. This is called the Sky Eye, and it's a biggie. Let's go riding. Let's get to it. Well, I think I'm going to get on the Ferris wheel, guys. Yeah. Biggest Wheel, LLC. They put the name of this Ferris wheel. Did I go the right way? Yeah. Am I going here wrong? Get in here. Did I skip it? I missed it. You're getting down through here. That's why I give it. I'm not paying attention, guys. Yep. I've been in a Ferris wheel forever. Alright, let's get on.
And remember to collect all your personal belongings. We hope you enjoyed the view. Welcome to the Giant Wheel. Please watch your head and step as you enter the gondola. Once seated, please sit all the way back in your seat and remain seated during the duration of the ride and enjoy the view. And allow the others to do the same.
I'm gonna go way up there, guys. Oh, there's a down there. Oh, you really spoke. Heading all the way up here. here. Alright, this is a little bit scary because we are way up there at sea. I don't think it's that bad when you're down on the ground, but when you're up here, you get pretty tall, pretty high up. I mean, yeah. Down here. Probably land people off that was ahead of me. Wait, you're going this way. Well, thank God for my phone because my battery ran out, so I'm filming on my phone now.
Thank you for riding the giant. Please watch your step.
And thanks. Well, that was definitely something. Won't lie, that was a little scary. That was definitely high up. In case you're wondering, this is called the Sky Eye. That's what's called this Ferris wheel, the Sky Eye Ferris Wheel. Not the Orlando Eye, but the Sky Eye.